Have you ever played this game before?
Never.
Never ever?
Never ever.
Is this the one on Squid Game?
Yes, yes. Do you know who's Gong Yu? The salesman, the tall guy? His name is Gong Yu. He's famous in Goblin. So, Gong Yu and the main actor Ki-hoon, Gong Yu and Ki-hoon, they play this game in the subway station. You remember that? You need to follow like this, just half and half. And it cross to like this. And then here. I've never played this game for 20 years.
Wow.
So it's my childhood game. So just like put it inside here, then it's done. We made Ddakji, and the main rule, this one is in the middle. And the rule, as you can see in the TV show, you need to hit the Ddakji. When it's flip over, then you're gonna win, and you can take the Ddakji.
Oh.
Okay, I'll show you. So, and you cannot touch. Once you throw the Ddakji, then your turn. You can flip over anything.
Okay, so first roll we have to hit the actual paper.
Do the whole thing.
Good try.
Okay.
Okay.
We cannot do it. Yes, we can do it.
Hit the paper here. Oh, it was close. Oh my god, it's so hard.
It's so hard.
Let's do it like that. Okay.
That's easy.
Let's just do it.
Yeah, let's just do it.
Almost.
Oh! Oh, she did it! Did you see that?
Did I?
Yes!
Oh, yeah!
She wins.
Finally.
What do you win?
Oh, no, it works! It was Ddakji!
That was really hard.
That was.
Should we cautiously?